Hey, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I hang a gate here on the Homestead. We're going to do some more work on the barn today, so stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. Thank you for showing up and joining me on this Homestead building project series. We're still continuing our work on the barn, and today I'm installing the stock gate right here in this little area I've prepared for it. This gives me easier access in and out of the pasture where I have the pigs. So let's go ahead and get that installed. For this particular project, I'm using a corded drill. I'm also using this largest auger bit because I need to tap a hole into this 4x4 post to set two of these hinges on. So let's get this auger bit set on the drill and let's get those holes drilled. Okay, to determine where I want this hinge post, I want to set the gate and figure out where I want to set that, and that's good enough right there. So we're going to start our hole right here. Now the tool I'm going to use to give me some torque to be able to twist it in is just a simple box end wrench. I'm going to use the box end on this part to be able to turn it just like that. So let's go ahead and seat this. We seat that on the pin, and now it's time to figure out where to seat this top pin. Okay, this top pin is actually going to be seated down like that, and the reason for that is because it'll keep the gate from lifting off and being detached easily. And also I'm mounting it on the inside of the post because when the livestock come in and try to push against it, it doesn't go anywhere, it just goes against the pole. So I'm able just to open it up and swing it in and then swing it closed. And then I have this chain on here just to secure it. It's time to figure out where I want this. I want you guys to note that this hinge is adjustable. I just loosen the nut, spread it out, and adjust the hinge so it'll be able to slide down and then slide up over that hinge when I get it repositioned. So I'm going to go ahead and drill my hole and position it. Okay, I'm going to mount it right about there and tap my hole in right about there. And we do the same with this pin. Okay, just loosen this nut here on this carriage bolt. Put it in place and move it back up. Okay, and I got this one open now. I just got to dig out some of this dirt here and level this path out so I can open the gate, completely swing it open wide. But I can still get in and out, it's fine. Well, now that this task is done, I'll move on to the next task. So stick it with me. You can do that by subscribing, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and smashing that like button. Also, sharing our videos helps out greatly. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me on this adventure of homestead building projects on installing this livestock gate. You can join us on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Google+, and Blogger. I will see you guys in more videos. Bye-bye.